Well, Colt Ralliart back in the house, and this time it's got a decat and an induction kit, and it's going for some flames. So the whole point of today is to get as much nonsense as possible out the rear end. So let's do it. I believe he's after the flames, Richard.
So I'm told.
The flames. He wants to cook. He wants to cook stuff out the back of his exhaust.
He needs to put some silence in it, that's for sure.
It is stupidly loud, ain't it? It's never getting on a track, not ever.
No.
But
It's just nonsensely loud.
Nonsensely loud.
Straight through, stupid bit of pipe.
Yeah.
With no back box and a finisher on it. It's
Well,
terrible, to be honest.
Ours is not to understand, Richard.
No, but it is part of the reason why I'm partly deaf.
Yeah. Yeah. So we'll get some flamage out of the back. We've actually shut the doors today, that's how loud it is. There's an S2000, nearly ready to rock and roll. Can't really see much of the exhaust, but yeah, flamage. Okay, so that's bloody noisy. Really insanely noisy. Richard just tried to put a tool inside me. So if this, if there was a little wobble on the video there, I've been abused. Right, and we have finished. Richard finds it very funny. Richard has got us just shy of 205 brake and 174 wheel horsepower, so 214 foot-pound of torque, and it is very, very loud. So thanks for watching another video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
Maybe.
Maybe.